Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fill in the About Me section on the BestJobs application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Then tap on the menu icon, then click on your profile icon, scroll down till you find the About Me section and click on it. In this box you can type in the details about your professional objective and desired salary. Now if you scroll down, you can see in the middle of the screen that you have the possibility to upload a video presentation of yourself by simply clicking on it, and now you can upload or record a video CV. Then you are ready to select 3 questions and answer them shortly. As you can see, the first box is a question that you can choose yourself, such as what's your definition of success, and so on. So just simply select the ones that interest you the most or that you would like to answer. So you press the button done, you click on the box, and then you are ready to type in your answer. You have to repeat this 2 times, and if you are ready with these steps, all you have to do is clicking on the button save in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.